Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are diving into one of the coolest part of SQL, which is functions in SQL. SQL contains 4 to 5 types of functions, from which today we will see the numeric functions. If you work with numbers in SQL, you are going want to understand how these functions work, whether you are doing calculations, rounding the numbers, or working with precisions. These functions will make your life a whole lot easier. So let's get started. So first up we will see the ABS and sign, these two functions with the example. ABS function returns the absolute value of the number. So whether the number is positive or negative, it will return a positive result. And the sign gives the sign of the value. So first up we will see the ABS function. Type the command, select ABS in bracket. You can put any value which you want. I taken here 5. I take here 2 to 3 values for the ABS function. You can take the null value also and also 0 value. I take here null value. From the dual. So here dual is the dummy table which was created by the Oracle. We can perform any functions by using the dual table. Now you can see the result here. We will see here the ABS values. Now we will see our next command, which is the sign. Now type the command here, select sign. The sign is here, it will give you a sign of the number. I put here values which I want. You can take any digit value. From dual semicolon, enter. You can see here the sign of the values which we have put here. Now next, square root. This will give the square root of the given value, and the mod gives the remainder of the value. Let's see with the example. First up we will see the square root example. Type the command here, select square root, in bracket put the value which you want. I put here 4. Also you can put the 0 value, null value. It will give you the square root of the any value. From the dual table. You can use the dual table for any operations. Now you can see the result here. Square root of 4 which is 2. Square root of 0 which is 0, and square root of 1 which is 1. Now next, mod command. Type the command here, select mod and put the any value which you want. It will give the remainder of the given value. So here we have to put here 2 values, which is value and the divisor of this value. You can take here the negative values also. You can see the result here, the remainder of the given values. Next is the roundup command. The roundup command rounds the number to a given number of digits of precision. Let's see with the example. Type the command here, round in bracket, put the values. Suppose I take here 12.3456. One more value. I forget here, type select command. Type select, comma, round in bracket, again put any value. From dual, semicolon, enter. You can see the result here. The rounded value 12.3456 as 12 and 9.57635 as 10. This is the rounded value of the given values. Now next is the greatest and least, these two commands. The greatest command gives the greatest number from the given value, and the least command gives the small values from the given values. Let's start with the example. Type the command here, select, type the keyword here, greatest in bracket, put the any values which you want. I type here 5, 7, 8, 9, 3, 4, any random values. Give another values. From the dual table. You can see the result here. You can see the greatest values from the given values, 9 and 100. Now next is the list command. For that I connect to the SQL and then type the command here, select list, keyword type here list in bracket, put the values. One more values. You can put here the minus values also. From the dual table and semicolon and enter. You can see the smallest values from the given values. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss any future video.